don't see any runs, but that don't mean there's not any. Hi, and welcome back. I think this morning we're gonna do some finish grinding on the rough grinding we did last time. Found our Dremel last time, so we'll get that little stone ball and get in there and knock down that pretty good size weld in the bend of the pan. And then we'll clean it all off and hit it with some paint. That's about all I got time for this morning. May not be a very long video, but at least the paint will be done. I may try to get some of the transmission tunnel as well, but we'll see how we get. Sit over there and I'll kind of show you what we're gonna do. Basically, my main goal is to get everything to looking relatively smooth like this. I mean, that's a little rough in there still, but that'll work. At least it's not like this or like that. Anyways, we're gonna get all this ground down again, all the way up to here. I'm gonna knock down these little welds right here with the Dremel. Excuse me. Clean it off, get that sticker off, and paint all this Rust Reformer black so it matches pasture side. If we have enough time, may start sanding in here, getting all that weld through primer off. I need to find that piece that goes right there. Might try to do that here in a minute. If we can find it, we can get that tack back on there. Probably do that first. But still not sure about if I'm going to continue tacking this in or trim a little more. I think I might get my outer rocker once we get the kick panel on, or at least screw to what we're going to weld to. We might put the outer rocker on and see how it sits relative to this opening here. And anyways, that'll be next time. But yeah, for today, just let me try and put that little piece on there, grind this all down, clean it all off, and spray some paint. So let's get busy. We got that on. A little rough, but it's stuck. I'm gonna go back and grind this down a little bit. Oops. Grind down a little bit and make it look nicer real quick. Really pretty happy how this turned out. It looks better than I thought it would. And it's on there. Just welded up the seam here and across the top. Don't look bad, it don't look good. So about right for me. Anyways, we got this all ground down as flat as I can get it. There's a little bump right there, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I think it's time to clean it up and put some paint down. Probably gonna paint the whole pan. Well, I'm gonna get the edges first, make sure I got enough to get this and this. And then I'll fill in the rest and see how far it gets. Yeah, got it painted. Doesn't look bad. I don't see any runs, but that don't mean there's not any. But hopefully it'll turn out like the other side and look halfway decent. Like I said, next time I'll probably come in here, work on transmission tunnel. This back firewall here, try and get this stuff off. And then I'll start fitting the kick panel, door pillar, try and hang the door, outer rocker. And if we get the outer rocker, everything looking good, then we'll go ahead and stitch up this, tack it to the back, be done with that, and then move on passenger side. It looks okay. I mean, for me, it's pretty good, but don't really know what I'm doing. But anyways, yep, getting closer. Well, that's all I got for you today. See you next time.